going on, YouTube? It's Nikki the Bombshell Biker, and I'm back on my bike. So it's been a cool minute since I've been able to get out on my motorcycle. Just on my motorcycle, not even just to make a video, just to get onto my bike. I was down for about a week. I have some nerve stuff, like nerve damage in my neck and my back and stuff, and so that, like, my left arm was just not in use, and that took a minute. And then it's been pouring rain, and like, I don't drive with California drivers in pouring rain and anything other than my car. And so it's been a cool minute, and so, you know, we did our video, the review, and now it's time for me and Miss Lucy to get back together. Hi, baby, I missed you. So today, I would like to talk about something that I think is really cool, and I kind of think of it like as the YouTuber phenomenon, is how fellow YouTubers in this beautiful, like, motorcycle community, so motovloggers, I guess I should say. So fellow motovloggers are kind of like having the pen pal I always wanted. So with things like social media now, like, people are so much more accessible. And I remember, like, growing up, and all I wanted in life was a pen pal. And all my mom kept telling me was, you don't know who these people are. Fair enough. Like, maybe I don't need to be writing to some stranger across the world who's, you know, says they're a 13-year-old girl like me, but is really a 30-year-old guy in prison. Like, I get it. But now that I'm an adult and I can see you, make my own bad decisions. But no, so it's been really awesome. And the Beard and I talk about a lot of the YouTubers that we are, like, close with, and the ones that we are very fortunate enough to talk to on a regular basis. And, like, we've got some really awesome friends. And we always joke, like, especially on, like, weekends when we don't have anything to do, we're like, why are all of our friends across the country or across the world? Like, why can't they just be here and us, like, ring them up and be like, hey, let's go for a ride? Like, Iron Cross, Dig, and Dirty D's, like, they're really lucky because they're so close to each other. And so they do get to ride together fairly often, and that's awesome. And, like, I live with the Bearded Bobber, so I have a built-in riding buddy. And, you know, it's so awesome to, like, get behind the handlebars and go somewhere with him. Like, today, we actually had the fortune of meeting Open Roader. He came over from Italy, and he came to Southern California, and so we jumped at the opportunity to meet him while he was here because, you know, the Beard talks to him every day. Like, they have, Indian Motorcycle World has a group chat, and he talks to them more than he talks to me. And I'm not exaggerating. Like, we talk every day, but he talks all day to them. Like, pretty sure when JFast comes down from Canada, I'm going to have to watch him around the Beard because I'm pretty sure he's going to try and steal him. Like, I mean it. I know the Beard's a sexy, beautiful man, but, like, he's my sexy, beautiful man. But I'm getting off track. So the cool thing about YouTube and this motovlogger community, the hashtag sport community, all of them, is that we get to talk to really cool people. And we get to talk to them whenever we want. Like, we don't have to wait for the mailman to deliver a letter. Aside from stickers and if we send gifts and stuff like that. Like, my video right after Christmas, I sent the Kiwi Riders a care package with the 2 Kiwi Riders in it, and waiting for it to get to New Zealand. Oh my God, I was so impatient. But it's awesome to know that I can send something small and handmade across the world to another country, to people I consider incredibly close friends now. And we're so lucky. We've got wonderful people. Motorcycle Mama, David Angie's Adventures, Geared Raven, Dirty D's, Iron Cross Racing is my bestie, apparently. You know, and so we've got this amazing community of people. And it always, like, the Beard and I talk about it all the time. It's like having grown-up pen pals in the best way. Because, you know, again, when we were kids, you'd have to wait on the post office. And even before that, like, in my parents' and grandparents' generations, like, it was a much longer wait. And now, like, it's so instant. Like, Motorcycle Mama was so sweet. She, like, messaged me the other day, and she was like, hey, I'm just thinking about you. And, like, that made my whole day. Like, whole day. I'm really easy to please, but damn, that made me feel so happy. And it's because I'm so lucky. And I've been very, very fortunate to come into this community of motovloggers that's so supportive. You know, when I was putting together the Beards quilt, I reached out to people all over the world, literally all over the world, and they came through, and that's so awesome. So I guess today I just really want to thank our community, our really awesome motovlogger community, for the bonds that we've made, the friendships that we've made, and like, I'm so excited to like see where these friendships go, where this bond will take us. And I know a lot of people are going to the Bring It Home ride in Oklahoma for Adam Sandoval, the big Harley ride, and I'm really excited to say the Beard and I will be there. I got approved for my time off. We're just trying to find a bike for me. Worst comes to worst, I'll try and sit my fat ass on the back of the bike that the Beard's going to bring, but I'm kind of hoping I can bring my own bike because I didn't go all the way to Oklahoma to ride on the back. That's just not who I am. But that being said, I will if it means I get to be a part of it. And the really awesome thing is we're going to meet up with these people. I'm so excited. I'm yelling in my helmet. I'm so excited, and I apologize if I'm like screaming in your ear right now, but I'm so excited. And it's because, you know, we've spent this time making these friendships and showing support and showing up for those people, and it's so awesome. Like, oh God, I tell my family all the time. I always tell my dad, I'm like, Dad, like, so-and-so did this and so-and-so did that, you know, and look at Geared Raven's new sticker and blah, 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 blah. And it's so, I'm like, my dad just smiles, and like, I know that he's like, I'm really happy for you, babe, and he is, but I'm just like, oh, it's so cool. And like, I still light up like a little kid because it's awesome. Like, I'm such a part of, I'm a part of such a great community, and it's because of these two wheels. This bike right here, this camera on my helmet, and that man right there have created all of this joy in my life. And every one of you that's watching and that comments and just like has welcomed me with open arms into the community and has shown support in any way, I cannot thank you guys enough. I'm so grateful for our motorcycle community, and just, oh, thank you guys for being the best pen pals ever. Like, oh, I cannot tell you how much I love it. But I'm going to end it here. We're pulling off. I think we're going to take a quick peek at the Beard's bike and all that fun stuff. But just want to remind everybody, stay safe and stay sassy. Have a good one, guys.